If you've been dealing with high anxiety, feeling unsafe in the world, then I've got you. This tapping session is going to help rewire your brain so you can let go of some of the past. Start off tapping on the back side of your hand. Take a deep breath in, exhaling with a sigh, repeating back after me. I've been feeling unsafe in the world. And even though I've been feeling unsafe in the world, I love and accept myself. Tapping up to the top of the head. I've been feeling unsafe in the world. Between the eyebrows. And it's possible for me to heal this now. To the sides of the eyes, even though I'm not sure if tapping on my face is really going to make a difference. Tapping under the eyes. I like the idea of feeling safe in this world. Under the nose. So I'm open to making a powerful choice. Under the lips. And I'm starting to heal from the past now. Tapping to the chest, take a big deep breath in. We're going to acknowledge some of the negative thoughts, and then we're going to move on to positive affirmations. That's how tapping works best. So stay with me all the end to get results. Tap to the front of the ribs. I've been feeling so unsafe in this world. Tapping to the sides of the ribs. I've been feeling unsafe for a long time. Tapping to the wrist, taking a deep breath. I love and forgive myself. It's understandable that I've been feeling unsafe. My mind focuses on all the bad things happening in the world. Tapping to the back side of the hand. And I've had my fair share of bad experiences. Tapping up to the top of the head. I love and accept myself. Even with all of this pain. Big deep breath. I know this can be heavy, but stay with me. This is how we actually move things. Tapping to the sides of the eyes. It's understandable that I've been feeling anxious. Tapping under the eyes. I've been hurt in the past. Tapping under the nose. And part of me believes that feeling unsafe is actually going to help me stay safe. Tapping under the lips. Part of me believes that focusing on fear and all the things that are bad in the world is somehow actually keeping me safe. Tapping to the chest. I am grateful to this part of me for trying to keep me safe. Big deep breath and send some gratitude to your anxiety for trying to keep you safe. To the front of the ribs. I love and forgive myself for believing the world isn't safe. Tapping to the sides of the ribs. And I am ready to heal from the past now. Tapping to the wrist. I'm letting go of this old belief that the world isn't safe. To the back side of the hand. I'm letting go of the stress and fear that this world isn't safe. Top of the head. I don't need to hold on to this stress and fear anymore. I choose to let it go now. Deep breath. Tapping between the eyebrows. We're going to move into some positive affirmations. Are you ready? I am willing to feel safer in this world. To the sides of the eyes. I'm starting to feel safer in the world now. Tapping under the eyes. What if the world is safer than I've been believing? Tapping under the nose. What if the world is safer than I've been telling myself? Tapping under the lips, taking a deep breath. Even though the news makes it seem like the world is so unsafe, I'm open to letting go of that fear now. Tapping to the chest. I'm open to letting go of some of the fear I've picked up from the media. Tapping to the front of the ribs. And it's safe for me to see the good in the world again. Tapping to the sides of the ribs. I am ready to make a powerful choice and to start seeing the good in the world again. Big, deep breath. Tapping to the wrist. I'm letting go of fear. And I'm embracing the goodness of the world. Tapping to the back side of the hand. Stay with me, we're almost done. What if I am safe in this world? Tapping up to the top of the head. I am learning to trust myself. Between the eyebrows. I am able to keep myself safe in the world. To the sides of the eyes. I trust I am able to keep myself safe. Tapping under the eyes. What if this world is a friendly place? Tapping under the nose. And as I release this fear from my body, under the lips, I start to feel safer in the world. Big, deep breath. Tapping to the chest. It's possible that as I feel safer inside of me, the world starts feeling like a safer place. To the front of the ribs. I choose to feel safe in the world. Tapping all over the body and say, I am safe in this world. Good job. How are you feeling? Leave me a comment down below. Share this video with a friend. Keep going with some more tapping. And there's information down below also about how to work with me and different offers I've got going on. And subscribe if you love tapping.